So this is the giant box of makeup that they sent me. I'm literally so excited. This is the biggest PR package I've ever gotten. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you have no idea who I am, or maybe you do, my name is Chelsea and I'm a makeup artist in Seattle. Today I have some really cool things to show you. I got some PR packages from It's a 10 Cosmetics and Hair Care. So I'm going to show you what I got. I did use the hair care already because I took a shower in the morning and I wanted to try out some stuff, but the makeup I have not seen yet. So we're going to be trying that out together. But yeah, let's jump into this. So for the hair care, I got a few things. I got 5 products total. So first of all, I have the It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. So each product has like 10 benefits. This one is supposed to be detangling, restoring moisture balance, restore elasticity, softens, smooths, imparts luminous shine, enhances natural body, nourishes, defrizes, and improves color vibrancy. I absolutely love this. I used it in place of my conditioner today and my hair was literally so soft coming out of the shower and I was like, okay. And then today I also used the It's a 10 Blow Dry Miracle Glossing Leave-In, and I showed this on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I had posted this earlier. So 10 things it does instantly are explosive glossy shine, smooths dry hair, instant detangling, adds softness, helps prevent breakage, helps protect from heat, protects against frizz, helps protect hair color, and enhances formation of ionic bonds. Iconic too, but ionic, and helps strengthen hair shaft. As someone who has dyed their hair since like 6th grade, I appreciate something that helps to restore bonds. I currently use the Olaplex system, so I'm curious to see how this will help my hair, because it is not like, it's not dead, but it's also not like the healthiest since it is blonde and my natural hair is this like dark brown up there. And then today I also used the It's a 10 Miracle Shine Spray with noni oil. This one has a weightless shine, helps soften coarse hair. My hair is literally so soft, like, I don't know, I like can't stop touching it. Improves elasticity. It also has antioxidants. It has environmental protection, anti-humidity. It minimizes frizz. If you saw me on Instagram, my hair, like I have so much hair and it gets so frizzy, it's like literally out to here. So anything that's like anti-frizz, I absolutely love. It has thermal protection, imparts control and manageability, helps seal and protect hair, and also locks in moisture. Good stuff. And then the product that we all know and love is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. I actually used to use this a lot in high school and I haven't picked it up in a very long time, so I was super happy when they sent it to me so I can retry it, fall in love with it all over again, because this is some good stuff. It inhibits dry, damaged hair, adds shine, detangles, helps replace lost protein, seals and protects hair color, helps prevent split ends, need that, inhibits hair breakage, creates silkiness, helps strengthen hair, and it's also a flat iron spray and thermal protector. I straighten my hair a lot, so this is a godsend. And then last but not least, I also have the It's a 10 Blow Dry Miracle H2O Shield. I'm actually really excited to try this out the next time I shower. It repels water, so as someone who has naturally like frizzy hair, I love that this will like repel water because I live in Washington. It rains a lot here, so looking to try that out. It's also heat activated. It has a durable anti-frizz effect. It has high shine, weightless formula, superior detangling. Helps preserve blow dry styles. It forms a shield against damage. Love that. Helps sustain hair strength, and it's also a color protectant. So this has lots of great benefits. And like I said, I'm really excited to try this out next time I shower. Okay, so that is all I have for hair. Let's move on to makeup. I'm literally so excited for this. So this is the giant box of makeup that they sent me. I'm literally so excited. This is the biggest PR package I've ever gotten. Okay, let's just try things out. Let's go in with blush first. I hate packaging. I can't open things. This is the Be Lively, Be Cheeky blush. This is the packaging. This is what that looks like. It's nice and matte. I like that. This is the Be Audacious Rose. And this is in the shade Be Spirited. So today I'll be using the shade Be Audacious for blush. Let's go ahead and apply. Okay, I love this. It's really cute. I'm actually going to be bringing it up to like my nose because I love how that looks, nice and like rosy. Has really pretty pigment. The formula is really nice. Be a little bit on the nose. And then now I just go over with a powder brush just to soften it all out. That's what I normally do anyways. Okay, so let's try out, oh, I should probably do swatches for you guys. So this is the Be Audacious. I'm gonna do a swatch test. That's what that looks like there. And next to it, I'm going to do the Be Lively. This is like a dusty rose. That's what that looks like. Going to be like that. That's the dusty rose. Be Lively. And then also, this is the Be Spiritus. This is more of a red. Let's just apply that next to it. Yeah, so they're all very natural looking. I am wearing this one at the bottom right now. I actually like all three of them. Okay, so moving on, let's do highlights. So this is their packaging. This is what that looks like. Oh, look how pretty this packaging is. It's so pretty. So this is the Be Saucy powder highlighter. This is like a champagne color. I'm going to, wow, that's like really creamy. Oh, that is beautiful. I wish this showed up better on camera. I'm so white. This is the Be Outspoken highlight. This is a little too dark for me, but I'm gonna swatch it anyways because, I mean, it looks pretty. Oh, this formula is gorgeous. I would actually use this as an eyeshadow because that is, look at that. Wow, so pretty. I love makeup, it's so cool. And this is the Be Feisty highlight. A little darker, so definitely for a darker skin tone. This last two. Oh, this is beautiful. This formula is everything. It's like a nice like copper color, but it has some like gold reflex. I think I'm gonna use the champagne color because it works the best with my skin tone. What? Okay, this is so pretty. Like instant highlight. Like instantly. And this formula is so smooth. I'm sure like you can even like make it look very natural to build it up. They can see me from space, I already know it. Ooh, of the nose. And then a little bit on the cupid's bow. So now my base is set and I am ready to move on to the eyes. So there are 6 total of these Be Dazzling Eye Pots and I'm just gonna show you all 6 of them. The first one is gonna be in the shade Be Hypnotizing. This is what that looks like. I'm so excited. It looks like a cream formula. Oh my God. Whoever came up with this, these formulas are so pretty. Oh my God. Look at that. This is almost like Stila. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so moving on to the next one. This is in the shade Be Gracious. This is like almost like a champagne color. It has a little bit more of a pink undertone than the other one did. This one's a little bit colder, but these are so pretty. I'm doing these on like the weirdest part of my arm. So this is in the shade Be Riveting. There you go, that's what that looks like. It's more of a coral color. How do people do swatches? I'm new to this whole influencer thing, so. Okay, this one is in the shade Be Envied. And it's like a green color, like a greenish gold. I might actually wear that today since I'm wearing green. It's like a nice like olive color. Okay, let's go on to the next one. It is Be Enthralling. I've never heard that word, but it's Be Enthralling today. Ooh, this is like a rose gold. Oh my God. I wish these showed up on camera better. I am obsessed with this color. It's like perfect for like a no makeup look. So this is the last one that I have to try, and it is in the shade Be Mesmerizing. And it's this really pretty purple mauve color, I guess. Ah, oh, so pretty. Okay, so I just set my eyes with some concealer and translucent powder. So now I'm just going to use my ring finger, or my middle finger. If I'm flipping off, I promise I don't mean to, but. So it doesn't come off super shiny, but it has more of like natural color, natural finish. That's what that looks like. I'm sure you could wear this without eyeshadow primer, but I have oily eyelids, and if I don't set my eyelids, then this would go all over the place. So now I'm actually going to take a brush and I'm going to add that into my crease just to kind of smoke that out a little bit. Add some more dimension. So that's what that looks like. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This is so pretty. I definitely recommend taking this product on the brush after you've applied it to your lids and then just go into your crease. Just like any cream eyeshadow, you just gotta work with it a little bit. Make sure it looks very natural, like there's no like harsh edges. I use a very light hand when I'm going over the edges because I don't want to remove the pigment, I just want to smoke it out. I absolutely love like the one eyeshadow look. I think it looks so pretty. It's very like editorial. It can also be like very natural too if you go with like browns. So I will be doing 3 coats of this just to see how it can work with my work with my eyelashes. So it's a very like thin applicator. I do like this type of applicator. I don't think I've ever used one so thin though, so I mean let's go for it. I use falsies every day, so I don't really care for mascara too much. Sometimes if I really like a mascara, I'll just like wear it on its own. And so far it's doing a really nice job. They look very volumized. Okay, so this is how it looks like with one coat. My lashes do look a little bit longer. Yeah, I mean, I like it so far. So this formula does dry down really fast, so you do have to work quickly with it. That's what that looks like so far. So I don't think I want to do a 3rd coat because this already like looks really good. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then we're gonna move on to eyeliner. So this packaging is like really luxurious. For an eyeliner, like this is, I don't know if this is liquid or cream. Oh, it's a liquid eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna do this on my hand. I need to shake this. Do I have to shake it? So I think you need to shake it beforehand because it comes off like that. Let's see. Yeah. So that is what the eggplant looks like. So you do have to shake it a little bit beforehand because I think it does have some oils in it. I'm not exactly sure, but this is the eggplant color. Oh, hold on, it's spilling. So the formula is really liquid, so I would just be careful while applying. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. This is the black one. So that's what that looks like. I'm gonna see if it dries down to a matte. We'll see. This is the blue one. The colors are really pretty. Like, these colors are gorgeous. I mean, it dries pretty quickly, I want to say, but it's very liquidy, so just be careful. The last one is gold. I'm excited for this one. Shake this up, and oh, this gold is really pretty. So that's the gold. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It dried down to like, not like a matte finish, but like a semi-matte finish. I'm gonna do a very tiny black wing, and then we'll see how that works. Actually, I don't want to do a wing. I don't feel like it. No, I did a wing yesterday. But yeah, that is the eyeliner. Just very simple, very like natural. Now we're gonna move on to lips. I have some, these are stains. So I'm gonna put them on my hand just because I can. So these are the lip stains that they sent me. I am really excited for these. Okay, so this packaging is really cute. This is in the shade Be Indulging. I'm just gonna apply them to my hand right here. And that's what that looks like. Ooh, this one's bright. So this one is in the shade Be Fulfilling. Whoa, okay. I'm like nervous but excited. So that's what that looks like, this one here. It's not bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot more like intense, but maybe you can like build it. Oh wait, the stains. This is in the shade Be Precious. It's labeled as a pink. Oh, okay. Not as intimidating. I'll put that one below the other one. I think this is more of like, it's that one right there. I'll just apply this right now and hope for the best. some of these are like heat activated. Oh, see, you can already tell. So that is what that looks like. Definitely would love this for like an everyday look. It's cute. I do like this. So these are their glosses. Ooh, this is cute. I like this. This is in the shade Be Relentless. It's also a coral. So that's what that looks like. So this is a like nudie pink in the shade Be Fancy. That's what that looks like. I like that actually. Like it's kind of like a cooler tone. Like almost like a dusty mauve almost. This is, ooh, this is a rose gold. Yeah, this is in the shade Be Fearless. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. Look at that. That is so pretty. That's a rose gold. Okay. Oh, and this one is a peach color. It is called Be Strong. And that's that one on the bottom. So that's what they all look like. I'm gonna try out that cool toned, like dusty mauve. Ooh. A little bit goes a long ways. That's what that looks like. Okay, let's see if this stained. Oh, yeah, definitely stained. But that's what, I mean, it's lip stain, so it's supposed to. So good that it did that. Let's see if these are smudge. It's like barely coming off. But no, they're staying. So the last thing that I want to try out is the Begin to End. Oh, it's a primer and setting spray. I did not use this to prime, but I can use this as a setting spray. It's infused with coconut water. Cool. How to use. Shake properly and spray 3 to 4 times onto face whenever your skin needs refreshing. So now, just shake. Lots of shaking today. Bye. Sure. So, oh wow, I got like really dewy. It smells very natural. Like if I walked out into the woods, I don't know what the smell is. No, I don't know. It has a smell to it. It's like very earthy, I think. So that was I mean, besides base foundation, that was a full face of the It's a 10 cosmetic line. I like most of the things in this collection. I think the only thing I would say is the eyeliner formula, but besides that, everything else is pretty on point. Thank you so much to It's a 10 Cosmetics and Hair Care for sending me all the products created in this video. So if you want to check out the It's a 10 Hair Care and Cosmetics, click on the link in the description box and it'll take you right to their sites. They are 2 different companies technically, but they are both run by It's a 10. So yeah, I mean, this is a full face of It's a 10. Definitely check them out, and I think that's it for now. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe below. Turn on that notification bell so you can get updates of whenever I post a video. Also, if you guys are not following me on TikTok and Instagram, what are you doing? I am Miss Chelsea MUA on both Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. So until then, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and have a great day.